Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It is Karma's Pieces. Today we're going to organize my fabric drawer. Now, I must apologize in advance. I do not have a before and after. I don't have a before, I only have an after. But to do this, we are going to create some fabric stabilizers. So this is also going to be a recycle project. Just grab your nearest cardboard or cardstock and let's get to it. So I have to be honest, I did not measure anything. I basically just grabbed my box cutter and started eyeballing about where I wanted to make the cuts. And realistically, what you want to do is get the cardboard to kind of look like, not kind of, to really look like an eye. I don't know why I said kind of. You really do want it to look like a capital I. And you'll see it. I like to use the metal ruler just because it just guides the cuts really nice. So yeah. So I must say this is not my invention. This has been going on since for ages now. And there are a lot of really cool things that you can purchase at Dollar Tree to store your fabric and your ribbons and stuff like that. There's really cool things in IKEA. But I just decided to do a really quick recycle project because I ended up with a ton of boxes and I just wanted to minimize some of the waste that we had for that week. And I thought, you know what? I've been dying to do this and organize my fabric drawer because I'm going to one by one organize all of my craft sections. And so I started with fabric because it was the one that was stressing me out the most. Sorry that I do not have a before and after, but I hope that you guys can get some inspiration from this video and try to get your fabric drawer or fabric corner organized as well. One thing that I love about one by oneing it like this is that I really thought that some of these ribbons were long gone. And especially on my channel, something that always comes up is that I'll be doing some form of art or creating something and I'll need a material or I'll need a tool. And if I can't find it immediately, if it's not within, reach, I'm just gonna try to find some, like I'm gonna try to use something else or I just won't use it. And I do like to have things handy. I like to have things organized, and seeing all of these materials, seeing all of these ribbons that I have not connected with in a while is nice. They were like kind of like in a Ziploc thingy, hiding each other, tangled up. And when I see stuff like that, I'm really not going to use it. And so having it like this, it's going to really find a purpose and a use. And I'm actually really excited about getting some work done, whether it's model making, book binding, scrapbooking, sewing, but I'm excited. So now I am going to put everything in my drawer. Now, I didn't show you on camera, but I ended up using cardboard for all my bigger pieces of fabric as well. And that section I wanted to stack in this way. As of yet, I don't have a shelf for my fabric. and I don't have a very big art studio space, so every little bit of drawer space that I can use towards minimizing the clutter and, you know, just visual monotony in my art studio is better for me. So majority of these fabrics, these fabric pieces or whatever, are recycled clothes. Some of them were like little bundle gifts, but majority were clothes. Anything light I did purchase, like the wool, canvas, and doll making materials. In this Ziploc, I have zippers, I have all my sewing tools, and I have like sheer socks, my fray check, and I also have inside this sheer sock, I keep a whole bunch of other sewing tools like extra sewing machine needles or presser feet, I guess you would say. So I'm going to tuck that away nice and neat. And then I have some extra fabric there that has not been opened yet from its packaging. I have tons of spools for my sewing machine, depending on the color that I'm going to use. The ribbon that we organized today, that was really fun. Touching the ribbon and reminding myself why I bought it. These were some of the ones that I actually thought were gone too, like my Puerto Rico ribbon and a stretch ribbon that I had there. And these other fun ribbons and shoelaces. You'd be surprised all the things you could use. Oh, and my mesh. I love my mesh. You'd be surprised all the fun projects you can make with some of these like piping and ribbons. And then I use some of the smaller strips of cardboard for the smaller strips of fabric, like the extra canvas and extra cotton as well. I don't have tons and tons of fabric, but I just feel right now that what I do have, I need to just put it to good use and finish it before I start purchasing more. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch me in the next one. Join me for a cup of tea. Watch my live. I don't know when I'm doing a live, but I'm going to do a live soon. And when I do, it's going to be interesting. The next video coming up after this one is going to be organizing all of my papers, like anything paper or vinyl, if I have it, paper, vinyl, and plastic. So join me for that in the next one. Peace.